Hello, sixth graders, and welcome to Module 4. Isn't it interesting how quickly this year is going by? Whew. First of all, let me tell you that I'm extremely proud of all of you because I have been paying a lot of attention to your work, and I can see that most of you are really working hard and you're really improving and you're really learning. And I'm super proud of you, and that's a good thing, so keep doing that. In this class, we're going to go over, this is going to be super easy. And we're going to go over the use of ES when we add ES to certain words for two reasons. For the first reason is to turn them into plural, and the second reason is to turn them into third person verbs. Before we get into that, before I share my screen with you, let me just remind you gently of a few things. Remember that your audio recordings, you need to send only one, okay? Even if the assignment has two parts, only send one audio. So try to get everything into one audio, okay? And the second thing is that remember, don't give me this big, long introduction of what you're gonna do. I know what you're gonna do. I told you to do it. So all you have to say is, hello, teacher. My name is John Peterson. And immediately you go into the words, okay? Hello, teacher. My name is John Peterson. Number one, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to tell me, now I'm going to tell you the words. No, don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Just say, hello, teacher. Number one, blah, blah, blah. Number two, blah, blah, blah. Please, 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 don't give me this long introduction. I know that's what you've been used to, and that's wonderful, but it doesn't work in my class, okay? Great. So let me share my screen with you, and we're gonna get right into our work for today. Now, if you look at your screen, you're going to see, let me move this up a little bit. Let's look at the sentence. It says, I'm going to read the sentence to you. She always watches quizzes on TV while she washes the dishes and polishes the glasses. She always watches quizzes on TV while she washes the dishes and polishes the glasses. Now notice that each of those words that are written in red, they have an ES added to them. So we add ES to words ending in the letter S, double S, SH, CH, X, Z. And we add the ES when we want to turn these words into plurals or when we want to use the third person verbs. For example, if I have the word box and I want to turn that into a plural, I don't only add S, I add ES. So one box and many boxes. And you actually have to pronounce the ES, boxes, okay? And in the second example, it's an example of using it or changing it into third person verb. I watch TV, and she watches. And you have to pronounce the ES. So let's go back to the sentence at the top. She always watches, watches would be third person, quizzes, quizzes would be a noun in the plural. She always watches quizzes on TV while she washes, also a verb, the dishes, another noun, and polishes, a verb, the glasses, a noun. She always watches quizzes on TV while she washes the dishes and polishes the glasses. It sounds a little bit like a tongue twister. Okay, so then there are a group of words. There are actually 20 words. And all I want you to do on your audio is this part. You're going to pronounce each word slowly and clearly. Okay, some of you have been really getting better in your pronunciation, and I'm super proud of you. So I'm going to read the words to you, and this is what you're going to send in your audio. You're going to pronounce each of these 20 words on your audio slowly and clearly. Okay? So let's get right into it. Number one, bus, buses. Two, atlas, atlases. Three, gas, gases. Four, crush, crushes. Five, crash, crashes. Six, wish, wishes. 7, coach, coaches. 8, inch, inches. 9, watch, watches. And 10, waltz, waltzes. Now, some of you might have difficulties pronouncing or distinguishing between the sound of the SH, which is sh, and the CH, which is ch. Ch is a shorter sound, okay? Work on it a lot before you send me your audio. So let's go over this list one more time and pay attention to the differences between ch and sh. It's not the same thing. One has a long sound, sh, and the other one has a short sound, ch. So let's go one more time. Bus, buses. Atlas, atlases. Gas, gases. Crush, crushes. Crash, crashes. Wish, wishes. Coach, coaches. You see the difference? One is wish, the other is coach. Inch, inches. Watch, watches. Waltz, waltzes. Okay, so this should be fun. And so you send me your audio with only that part telling me each of those 20 words. You're gonna tell me in the singular or the first person verb, and then in the plural or the third person verb. And so it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to hear your audios. See you next time. Oh, and one more thing. If you have any trouble uploading your audio to the platform, you can always send it to me at itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. That's itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. See you next time.